Thank you for your purchase of your Ergomotion bed. By following these simple instructions, you will be able to install your smart bed from box to completion in around 90 minutes. For this bed, you have the following components. There are also some parts not included within this set that are recommended for the best install. Always use 2 people to build the base of the bed. Place the base bed box in the desired location for your bed with the top of the box facing up. Remove the binding straps and packing materials, making sure not to puncture the box with any sharp objects, and remove the bed base from the box, keeping the bottom of the base facing upwards. Align the frames front to back and join them together. Lock the bed frame in place by inserting the middle screw through the washer. You need to do this in 3 places. Fasten the sheet metal parts on the sides and secure the sheet metal parts to the bed frame with screws through the spaces. Please note the side of the sheet metal part with the small hole always faces upwards. Find the head motor and foot motor and connect both to the control box in the head part of the bed. Locate the battery backup strap and set it aside. Be sure that it is accessible after the base is set up. Select the headboard, side rails and footboard from the box. Select the smaller connecting part and use the flathead M8 screws and wrench to fix the footboard and side rail together. Next, use the larger connecting part and the M8 rounded head screws to fix the larger connecting part just above it. Repeat this process for the left-hand side of the bed. Now we can use the same process to connect the headboards to the side rails. Each corner of the assembly should look like this. Next, we fit the hinge mechanism. To attach the piston, place 1 washer onto the hinge. Slide the piston onto the fitting and then add a second washer and the M8 nuts on the outside. Use the spanner to tighten the nut. Repeat this for the top of the piston and then on the second hinge. Finally, on both hinges, ensure you have locked the safety catch on the 4-link mechanism. Locate the support elements and fix one to each side of the side rails. Use 2 flathead M8 screws to secure the elements to the side rail with the M8 wrench. Then repeat for the opposite side. Fix the hinges to the side rails with M8 screws and Allen key. Now move on to the frame. Fix 2 M10 bolts half into the frame, but do not tighten them. You will need 2 people to raise the frame into the bed. Align the frame with the hinges on the bed and insert the M10 bolts in the holes, and slide the frame down so that the bolts sit in the bottom half of the hole. Now tighten the M10 bolts to secure the frame. Insert the baseboards into the bed. Ensure the bed is in the lifted position and, after lifting, fasten the safety buckle of the connecting rods to prevent the bed falling. Please loosen this safe buckle when you want to lower the bed. Pass the DC line through the headboard hole. Place power supply on the ground and extend from the base. Uncoil input power cord and plug into power supply. Ensure that the power supply and all attached cords are directed towards the desired surge protector. Quickly test remote functions to verify proper setup. Return the base to a flat position before placing the mattress on top. Use the remote to lift bed's foot part. Now install the mattress holder by inserting both ends of the holder into the hole until one end of the mattress holder passes through the bottom of the bed. Secure with the plumb nuts. When the Ottoman platform is at its highest position, locate the safety lever bar and insert into the retaining point. Always ensure that the safety lever bar is in position when the Ottoman is opened. When you want to lower the Ottoman, return the safety lever bar to its original position. The remote control that arrives with your bed is already paired to the adjustable base. If your remote is not pairing with the bed, please refer to the user manual and instructions. In case of a power outage, and for emergency use only, there is a backup battery strap. This should be fitted to the bed in case of power outage. Please refer to the instructions. Congratulations! Your bed is now fully set up and tested, and ready to give you the amazing night's sleep you deserve.